Hey guys, welcome to ToolsStop. Today we're going to be reviewing the Skil brushless half-inch hammer drill. It's brushless. It's got 17 torque settings, got the metal chuck, and I believe this is their second best drill driver or hammer drill on their line of tools. Has a half-inch chuck, metal, 13 millimeters wide, 17 torque settings, and it can produce up to 450 inch-pounds of torque in second gear. I don't know how much it can produce in first gear. Well, probably a lot more. It's you got 480 revolutions per minute in gear 1, 1800 in gear 2. Again, this is the HD 529401. And what's really cool about the battery, they got a new battery. What it can do is it can charge any USB auxiliary device. So you can plug it in, hit the button, and it will start charging or powering whatever auxiliary device you got. Got a belt clip, really nice belt clip. Feels very high quality, very sturdy. 2 amp hour battery got on here, and that's what it comes with. You can buy the 4 amp hour. We're at full bars. And if you want to check out how this thing performs, you can watch my longer video. This is just short. And yeah, 2 speeds. Got the hammer drill setting. We're on drill setting right now. Yeah, feels pretty nice. Nice and heavy. And again, it's brushless, so no sparks. No sparks. Yep. All right. Well, thanks. Bye.